Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 750 watt premium mixer grinder. This comes with 4 jars and has a black and grey color combination as it's written over here. And this is the box that it comes in. There is very little information on it, so we are going to open this and show you what's inside. These are the components of this box. We have a user manual right on top. There you go. This is what this looks like. This is the user manual for the 750 watt premium mixer grinder with 3 jars and 1 juice jar. We have a dry grinding jar, wet grinding jar, chutney grinding jar and a juice blending jar along with the main unit, which is this one. So let's quickly take a look at each of these components. The chutney jar, this is your chutney jar. This is the smallest one. By the way, let me just tell you, 3 of them, there are 4 jars here. 3 of them are made out of stainless steel. This is made out of food grade stainless steel. So first up we have the chutney grinding jar. There you go, this is what it looks like. We have a dry grinding jar. This is what it looks like. It comes with this suction, where is it? There you go, the lid. This is the lid for it. All the lids have this suction material over here, so to make sure that the jars are airtight when you close these lids. There you go, it's absolutely airtight right now. This is your dry wet grinding jar. This comes with a borosilicate lid like so, transparent borosilicate lid. And there you go, this is your wet grinding jar. And the final unit over here, this one is your juice and blending jar. So this is basically a blending jar. As you can see, there's a blending attachment at the bottom, blending these sharp knives, sharp blades that you will use for blending. But you also have this attachment. This is basically a juicer attachment. There you go, it goes in like so. And the idea is that you put fruits in here and you close this down, lock it down like so. Now you can make fresh juice out of fruits and vegetables. We also have this plastic knife. Let me show this to you. So there you go, this is a plastic knife. This is basically to scrape off the side of the jars once you're done grinding or blending. Now let's take a look at the main unit. This is the 750 watt main unit for the mixer grinder. This is what the 750 watt main unit looks like. It comes with this piano black finish. It has a pretty sleek design and the Amazon Basics logo is right over here. This is not the lightest of mixer grinders, have a bit of a weight, around 1.5 to 2 kilos in weight. Underneath there are 4 suction stops to make sure that this unit is pretty stable when you put it on a flat ground. It's not very easy to move right now. There you go, you have to pull it outside. Pretty good suction feed. There's also at least 1.5 meter long thick PVC power cable with a 3-pin plug on one end. So what I'm going to do, okay, one other thing, there is this knob at this dial at the front. These are basically your speed setting. There are 3 speed settings over here. You basically select a certain speed. On the other hand, when you go counterclockwise, you're basically using it manually. I'll show you how all of that is done. Let me just attach this mixer grinder to a power source first. There you go, I've attached it to a power source. Now attach one of these jars over here like so. Yeah, it's tightly fit in right now, and I'm going to give this a test whirl. Then I can see this. I will hold it over here so that you get a clear view, a better view rather. So that's the manual control when I go counterclockwise, and when I go clockwise, you heard that, it works absolutely fine. And there you go. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics 750 watt premium mixer grinder. Thank you for watching.